What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video from our beautiful dealership here, Orlando Harley-Davidson. Today we got in front of us a 2022 Street Glide Special in the Redline Red. Now this is a new colorway for 2022. There's also a few other colorways that are available. You have the Gunship Gray, which was a CVO color that came in 2018. You also have the White Sand Pearl as well, the classic Vivid Black, as well as a few other colorway options that they have available. And on the specials, you do also have the option to be on most colors, either the blacked out trim or chrome. Very beautiful option. Other than that, guys, let's head into some of the features on this motorcycle here. On the Street Glide Special, you have the stretched bags, which gives it a nice aesthetic look from the rear. Really fills out that rear end, kind of like a nice car that has some fat tires on there. You also have your one-touch saddlebags, makes it real easy at a stoplight or anywhere to just sit there, pop it open, grab a drink, throw your sweater in there when it starts to warm up and whatnot. Another thing that comes standard on most of our specials is the RDRS system. So what that is it's a reflex rider system where it helps out with traction control and things of that nature, especially in unideal conditions, whether that's rain, sand, things of that nature, or just gravel roads, things like that. You also have your Boom GTS audio system up front, your infotainment system. What that allows you to do is have a lot quicker load time when it comes to music, navigation, anything like that. And another unique feature is they're actually able to be flashed by a service tech to do Apple CarPlay, which is pretty cool. I run it on my Road Glide myself. I really love that feature about it. From there, you do have your chopped engine guard bar on the front as well. It gives a nice clean aesthetic look. And for a taller guy like myself, I can kind of use it as a highway peg as well. It kind of cleans it up, looks good. You have the Prodigy wheels on here as well in black. On top of that, you also have your off-center gas cap, which they introduced in 21. It's still here on 22, which is nice. When you're at the gas station, you get a more full tank when you're leaned over. And you don't have to sit there and shake your bike back and forth anymore to make sure you get all the gas in there. From there, we also have your heavy breather that comes standard on the 114. That way, whenever you go and do some upgrades, whether that's stage 1 or 2, you won't have to change that out, which is a nice feature. I didn't change mine, and I'm stage 2 on my Road Glide, so the only thing I would change it for is aesthetics. Otherwise, it works perfectly fine, produces great numbers. From there, guys, we do have a couple other features on this motorcycle that are unique to our dealership in specific. And what that is we include docking hardware on all of our touring models, which is pretty unique for a dealership to do, because you can come in here with a trade, take your tour pack or sissy bar off and put it on your brand new bike and take off with your significant other. For reference, I'll show you. I'm about 6'2", about 205 pounds, just so you could see size-wise what you may look like on the bike. So let me throw a leg over real quick. So, real comfortable, real light feeling. These bikes are, 850 plus pounds, and it doesn't really feel like that. Center of gravity is real nice and low. Handlebars are pulled a little closer to you, so you're not really stretched out, reaching too hard. You're in a nice, relaxed, comfortable position. And like I said, for a taller guy like myself, I can use these engine guard bars kind of as a highway peg. I do it on my personal bike a lot, but everything feels real nice. Saddle's narrow, and this red is just beautiful. I come from riding dirt bikes, and I always rode Honda, so can't go wrong with a red bike, especially this one. All right, guys, thanks for watching another video by us over here at the Orlando Harley-Davidson team. Like I said, this was the 2022 Street Glide Special in Redline Red. We do have a few other color options available. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to get you in here and work you up a deal, and or just give you a great experience. That's what we love to do here. We love motorcycles, and we love talking about them and riding them. So if you guys need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you soon with another video. Take care.